All right, this is an example of SAT question. It says x squared minus 14x plus 40 is equal to 2x plus 1. What is the sum of the solutions to the given equation? So we are given x squared minus 14x plus 40 equals to 2x plus 1. And what we are asked to find is the sum of the solutions. We have two solutions and we're going to find the sum of these two. So the first step will be to rewrite this equation in a quadratic form. To do that, let's subtract 2x plus 1 from both sides. 2x minus 1. 2x and 1. All right, so in here we have x squared. Negative 14x minus 2x is minus 16x. 40 minus 1 is 39, so plus 39. 2x minus 2x is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, so on the right side we have 0. So now we have a quadratic equation. You can use quadratic formula to find the solutions, or you can also use factoring method. Let's use factoring method in this case. X squared minus, we can rewrite 16x as 3x minus 13x. That will be plus 39 equals to 0. All right, so now we have x on this term, so we can take out x. X squared divided by x is x, minus 3x divided by x is 3. All right, so let's take out 13 here. We have 13 and 13 here. So if I take negative 13, all right, negative 13x divided by negative 13 is just x. Okay, 39 divided by negative 13 is negative 3, so minus 3 equals to 0. Now notice here we have x minus 3 on both terms, so we can take out x minus 3. All right, so x into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is x. What about here? We have minus 13, so minus 13x into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is minus 13. This is equal to 0. So we have two numbers. If you call this P and this one Q, for this equation to be true, either P or Q must be equal to 0. That means either x minus 3 equals to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Let's call them x1 and x2 just to differentiate between the two. All right, so if I add 3 here, I have to add 3 on the right side as well. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0, so x1 is equal to 0 plus 3 is 3. So one of the solutions is 3. And in this case, if I add 13 here, I have to add 13 on the right side as well. Okay, negative 13 plus 13 is 0. Therefore, we have x2 on the left side. On the right side, we have 0 plus 13, and that will be 13. So now we know the two solutions. We know x1 and we know x2. Therefore, x1 is 3, x2 is 13. So the sum of these two solutions is 16. All right. So on the multiple choice, 16 is D. Therefore, the answer will be D.